Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate a new gift card you received in the mail, follow these step-by-step instructions to prepare it for use. Step 1. Open the envelope and carefully remove the gift card from its packaging material. Step 2. Look for activation instructions included in the envelope or printed on the card itself. Step 3. Find the activation website address or toll-free phone number provided with the card. Step 4. Visit the activation website using your computer or mobile device browser. Step 5. Enter the complete gift card number from the front of the card into the required field. Step 6. Provide the CVV or security code found on the back of the card. Step 7. Fill in your personal information, including name, address, and contact details as requested. Step 8. Click the Activate button and wait for confirmation that your gift card is now active and ready to use. You can now make purchases at participating stores or online retailers that accept the card. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.